Hello and welcome to this POV review by You Only Need a Car. Today we have got this BYD Seal U DMI. So this is the hybrid version. First of all, it's huge. I don't know how it looks on camera, but it's really huge. And second of all, it just looks amazing. Like when you come from far and when you just see it parked besides other cars, it just stands out. It has something. So the exterior, I really find the exterior to be pleasant to the eye, or I don't know how to say. It's just got nice shapes. So the headlights look really, I don't know, maybe I try to find a resemblance between this and the seal, the animal, but yeah, did not really find it. But it has some nice lines, and it really has something. So the exterior looks really beautiful, I think. From the front, if you look, maybe if you close one eye and there's sun coming in the other one, you could say that this looks like a Porsche from the front, like maybe a Porsche Macan, the new models. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's got 19-inch rims and could be maybe a little bit bigger, but these are the standard wheels. Then you come to the back, and again, it doesn't disappoint. It's really beautiful. So a lot of details, which I think are really cool. Also the headlights have a nice animation. Yeah, it's just beautiful. And then the side view, it's also, yeah, it's just a big SUV. But it doesn't feel so big when you're driving it. It's really comfortable to drive, and does not feel stressful like when you drive. I remember driving a Q8, which was really, I don't know, maybe it's not that big, but the Q8 was really stressful to drive. Like you really had to pay attention to just feel the size of the car and know where you fit and where you don't. Okay, let's check. Something I was not so impressed by is the trunk, because I think it's really small. And that's probably because of the whole hybrid system, or the whole batteries, because this is, I mean, you can maybe fit two big luggages, not even from the width. I don't know, you can fit here two big luggages. On the height, you also don't have much space. But yeah, nothing you can do about it. And then you would think, okay, maybe on the underside. But no, there's just nothing. There's just a little bit of space for cables and everything. But yeah, just really not much space, which is a shame. But I think this is a general problem with electric and hybrid cars. Also something impressive, and this is this. Yeah, you can hear it, right? Yeah, it's not so nice, but you have a lot of space in here. So if you're sitting in the back, I mean the seat it's set up for me. I'm 180, and you just have a lot of space. It's really big. So inside, in the back, you can sit like a king. And it's also very comfortable. So the leather really feels good. It's not the best, but it feels all right. It's soft. This car weighs 2.1 tons, and it's powered by a 1.5 liter engine with two electric motors. And this was really a surprise. Oh, 2 times. Look how small the engine is. The car, I mean, okay, it's a hybrid, but still 2.1 tons. And then you get the 1.5 liter, I think, with, I don't know, 180 horsepower or something like that. And of course, you've got the whole electric thingy. So it's all-wheel drive. You get one electric motor on the front, one on the back. The whole power output, it's around 320 horsepower, 320 horsepower. One thing I noticed, the doors, they don't really stay where you want them to stay. It's really hard to find a spot where, I mean, if you just have to open it a little bit. You can also shut the door accidentally too hard, very easy. It's like just, and hello! Now we are inside and we see each other for the first time. I mean, you see me, not I see you, but you know what I mean. Okay, now this feels really nice because it's like you get a premium SUV at a cost of a base iX1. So for the price, this thing costs 44,000. What you get, this is incredible. It's really impressive. The interior feels really, the buttons feel really qualitative. It's like you really feel, it's like a lot of, here you've got nice metal. And it feels nice. I didn't find anything I don't like on the inside. Maybe I don't really understand why you can turn the screen, because who needs this? And yeah, everything is shaped perfectly for your hand. Here, for your fingers, here to open the door. It's like, it's really user-friendly made, I should say. And yeah, nice space for your head, for your sunglasses. A lot of storage room inside. This is, you got place for your bottle. Or maybe you want to put it here inside, which is really big because you can close it, and this is a big bottle. It's really deep. But yeah. This is another nice thing I found. I did not really expect this. I've never seen this in a car. This is a safety thingy, I would say. So this is to cut your seatbelt if you need it. If you just decide to drive into water or something. And this is also to break your glass. You can just... And yeah, if you want to drive in a lake or something, you can get out with this thing. Okay, enough with the talking. I would say let's start it up and take it for a drive. I just found out yesterday, I thought you can change the color and everything, but it actually changes when it gets dark outside. It has a dark mode, which is really nice, because the white and the blue, it's not really my thing, so it's just kind of weird. You put it in drive, you hear the parking brake deactivating, and then you can just drive. You've got a head-up display, which is really nice. I love head-up displays. They make everything so much easier. One thing I really had to get used to was the braking, because the brake pedal, it's so soft and so sensitive that you really, at low speeds, you really just have to think about it and you brake. It's really that sensitive. Other than that, you just, as I said before, you really don't feel how big this car actually is when you're driving it. It just feels normal. And you get a lot of space on the inside. This is really beautiful. Driving, it's easy, I would say. But the most easiest way to describe it, say this is easy. It's like you have a nice feel on the gas. You can accelerate really smoothly, which it's not almost the case in electric cars. But yeah, it does really a great job. Yeah, the whole peeping. Let me just... Okay. The suspension is really funny because it feels like you're driving a boat. Mostly when the streets are not even, you feel like really on a boat. Or when you just start driving and then brake, like in a stop and go traffic, you feel the whole car like brought up to me memories from when I was on a boat. But I think that's the point of this car, because it should be a luxury car. So now also you just, yeah, I mean, you hear the bumps, but you don't really feel it. which is really impressive, I would say. Now, I also drove this car yesterday, and one thing that kind of disappointed me, even if it's a SUV, even if it's a luxury car or something, I don't know, it's not fast. I mean, it's got 320 horsepower, but it's really not fast. So BYD says it should do 0 to 100 in 5.9 seconds. Now, I did yesterday some measurements, and I did not get it under 7.2, 7.3, which is really a big difference. And I mean, alone in the car, perfect street conditions, and it just doesn't make it. Steering is very light, very precise. It's really good. When you're driving low speeds, at higher speeds, it tends to keep that sensitivity, which can be a little bit annoying. Like when you're driving on the highway, you want the steering to be a little bit stiffer, but you can work that around. It's not a big thing that makes like a major deal. Let's see. Let's just play with the features. Ooh. High tech. Why would someone need this? I mean, okay, maybe, I mean, it's cool, but why would you need it? It's just, yeah. Either TV or a tablet, I don't know. It's like, okay, we'll take it on the Autobahn because there's also something I really like. Not the top speed, because the top speed is like 180, which, yeah, kind of stinks. It could go faster, but it's usually like where the hybrid cars are limited, or electric also, like around 180, 200. It does that, it does it comfortable, drives really stable. So it's there when you're driving 180, you really feel the weight in a good way, because the car just sits. It's just really stable. Braking was also pretty good. Nothing to complain about braking. But one thing that is really nice, and I find it impressive, it's the cabin noise, because it is really quiet. So even when you're driving like 180, it's really quiet. It's better than average, I would say. Okay, let's see. Currently we're driving in EV mode. It's fully electric. We can switch it to HEV, and then the combustion engine starts with CVT transmission, which is not really my thing. I mean, I think this is the first car I drive with the CVT, and it just feels unnatural, because you constantly wait for it to change gears, but it just screams and screams and screams. So right now, yeah, it's really quiet. I would like to get a sound measure thing, but I don't really know how to film that. Maybe I would do it. I didn't want to use a phone app because they are really not really that exact. And yeah, as I said, like for 120, and I think you could whisper. Ooh. Not really sure, but okay, maybe you can hear me. Hi BYD.
Guten Tag.
Wie ist das Wetter heute?
Heute wird es in München regnerisch sein mit Temperaturen zwischen 16 und 27 Grad Celsius.
Oh la la. Hi BYD.
Ja?
Was hältst du über Mercedes?
Tut mir leid, ich verstehe nicht, was du meinst.
Okay, so she has no opinion about other cars. Okay, now my camera started shaking like crazy, but we may get to go a little bit. Now this is a crazy lady with a Tesla. Let's see. You don't really feel the electric power like in other cars, like in other electric or hybrid cars, because it's not that instant, I would say. So 150 also, of course you get some wind noise, but it's really not that much. So let's go on a final note and just say I think this car is just, for the price you get it, it's really impressive. It's crazy how many things you can get and the quality you can get for that price, which is the base price for a German car. But yeah, really impressive. I could definitely daily drive this, so a pleasant experience, because the first one with the Atto 3, with the BYD Atto 3, was not so impressive. That was terrible. The quality was very low, but this is just on another level. Really nice. It looks nice, it looks very beautiful, it drives very nice, it feels safe, it's got a lot of features. I think it's just a pretty great car. Nothing much to complain. Now, alright, this was it for today. I will see you in the next video, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it and managed to watch it to the end. If you liked it, please consider subscribing, liking or commenting this video. Tell me what you liked, what you don't like, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye.